Feeling lucky. Because the Wisconsin Badgers just turned into a three-point machine, demolishing UCLA 86-70 in a Big Ten tournament stunner. According to Bucky's fifth quarter, Wisconsin avenged an earlier loss with a season-high 19 three-pointers. John Tonya led the charge, sinking all 6 of his attempts. But the defense played its part too, suffocating UCLA inside the arc and shutting down their top scorer, Tyler Bilodeau. Now, the Badgers face a tough challenge against number 1 seed Michigan State in the semifinals. The question is, can they keep the hot shooting going? Did you know? The three-point line wasn't officially adopted by the NBA until the 1979-80 season. Comment your opinion. Follow us for more updates. Could you hit the like button?